now Mr. Case is taking the hardware off the door, which is the latch thing, and then the doorknob and the lock set stuff. So we'll take those off and we'll save them because we'll put them on the new door. So he's using the screw gun, Ryobi battery operated screw gun with a Phillips head to remove the screws that were holding the door in. So we're taking all of these screws out to remove the door. Sometimes you would take out the hinge pins to remove the door and then take out the hinges, but because this door was already used door, we kind of fit it in here, so we need to take off the hinges and remove the door that way because the hinge pins won't come out. We need that white thing too. So the door is moving. I'm gonna pause this a minute. Okay, so with the door removed now, we're removing the inside molding here so that we can fit the door in there. And so he's using this pry bar, which is called a what?
Pry bar.
A pry bar, okay. It's a pry bar, and we need to make sure that we can reuse the molding because we don't want to replace it. So he's being careful and prying it away from the wall.
Still like I usually do it.
We are.
Smash it.
Yeah, we're not going to try and smash it. All right. So after we remove the trim molding around the outside of the door, then we'll remove the frame that the old door was in, and we'll get back to you. Okay, so now we have to remove the frame that's left here inside the hole in the house here. So and this is what it looks like from the outside of the house here with the frame. So he's removing the weather stripping now that was in the door frame.